Kobe tricked you for like 5 years straight, like with.
Oh yeah, with the whole yeah. One thing about me, people know when they play me, like I read, I know all the plays, I read the scouting report. So like for forever, I thought it was just like a call that he was calling that Phil Jackson was like, you know, do with Mike, triangle offense. Man, I realized that shit was give me the ball and everybody get the fuck out the way. I'm about to bust Bron's ass.
Oh, you like my look? Oh shit, that Kobe Bryant look going. I figured it out now, Cole. You better change your signal. All that means is get the hell out of the way.
Yeah, shot 223, she a baddie, rocks a link. Let me take her to the back, she wanna look at me. Yeah, shot 223, bear rock, movie scene. Baby, let's turn up in this party, what's a wedding ring? My same haters in the club, we blowing up the scene. It's the same bulls, we turning up, we reppin' for the deep. All my homies play putting up 30s like it's Steph Curry. Shorty said